Welcome guys. So open your Facebook and click on three lines and click on groups. Then click on plus icon. After that, write down a name for your group. Like I'm making group for practical English. So write down the group of your name. Now click on. Yeah, it's up to you, public or private. It's up to you. I will click on public and then click on done. Now click on create. First I will upload a photo, take a photo, then I will select this one. Okay, so wait a second. Now you upload here. Yeah, it's uploaded and click on create now. Yes. Oh wait. So now invite one, two, or three friends to create the group. Okay, it's compulsory to do so. Now invite some friends and click on done. Yes, after that click on. Yes, I have invited 5-6 members more than. Now you can add some description regarding your group, like what is the purpose of the group. This is for English practice, so I will write here. This group is only for practicing English. Okay. Yes, English practice. Now click on done. Whatever you want, write on the description. Okay. Now I'm going to click on done. Yes. Now create a post. Create your first post. Take your first post for your group. I will write here first post. Okay. Now click on post. Okay. Now click on done. Yes, your group is ready. Okay, you can see these settings and change according to your desire, according to what you want. Okay. Yes, you can see here your group is ready and you are the admin now. So you can upload your cover photo as well. Click on edit and upload a photo. Yes, I will select this one.
No, wait a second. Yes, your cover photo has been uploaded successfully. So your group is totally ready for use. You can invite more friends as well. So I hope you understand. So please like, share and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye bye.